to United States. Federal agents conducted immigration enforcement raids on state-licensed marijuana nurseries in an agricultural region of coastal Southern California. Now, this is where they were confronted by throngs of angry protesters at the site. And as word and video images of the raid spread on social media, dozens of migrant rights activists converged on the area in vehicles, leading to face-offs with federal agents in the middle of rural roadways. Now, Immigration and Customs Enforcement agents, accompanied by National Guard troops in military-style vehicles, turned up at two locations primarily operated by Glass House Farms, one in Santa Barbara, county of Carpinteria, and also around 90 miles northwest of Los Angeles, and the other one was in Ventura County, community of Camarillo, about 50 miles from LA. Now, the Trump administration has shifted its position several times in just recent weeks on whether farm workers will be subjected to its campaign to deport all immigrants who are in the country illegally or not. Trump on June 14th ordered ICE to halt enforcement activities on farms, but the agency reversed that position just days later. And then on July 3rd, Trump said that he was willing to let migrant workers stay in the country if farmers can vouch for them. Now, days later, Agricultural Secretary said that there would be no amnesty for farm workers from deportation. So, continuously switching the sides on this issue that whether farm workers would be given some leverage when it comes to deportation or not. Visuals on your screen showing you the standoff between the workers and the ICE raids officers. Now, as word and images of the raid spread on social media, dozens of migrant rights activists converged in the area, and this led to face-off with federal agents in the middle of rural roadways. Now, Immigration and Customs Enforcement agents were accompanied by National Guard troops, and the vehicles turned up in military style at two locations specifically. First was operated by Glass House Farms, one in Santa Barbara, and the second one was in the Ventura County. Two areas where ICE workers showed up along with National Guards, and this led to face-off with the farmer workers. Now, the issue here is whether farm workers would be given some leverage when it comes to deportation or not. Now, the Trump administration has not been very clear on the issue so far. They've been shifting their positions. Several times they've shifted their position just in recent weeks. Earlier they said that farm workers will be subjected to its campaign to deport all immigrant workers, but then later on June 14th they shifted their stance, saying that ICE does not have to carry out enforcement activities on farms, but again the agency reversed its position just a few days later. And now this leading to a face-off between farm workers and the ICE workers along with National Guard at the locations, primarily two locations. Now, as of now, the latest stance of the administration is what the statement has come in from the Agricultural Secretary, Brooke Rollins. The Agricultural Secretary said that there would be no amnesty for farm workers from deportation. Remember, viewers, deportation and freeing the country from illegal immigrants has been something that Donald Trump has been talking about ever since he started campaigning for presidency. It is his primarily the political plank due to which he was elected in the US, and it is something that he has been working on ever since he took power to make America free of illegal immigrants. And here the issue of the hand is whether farmers would also be subjected to the same treatment or not. Earlier, Trump had said that he was willing to let migrant workers stay in the country if farmers can vouch for them, but now the administration has shifted their stance, saying that no, they will be subjected to the same deportation drive as other immigrants have been subjected to, and there would be absolutely no amnesty for farm workers. And this issue at the hand led to a face-off between federal workers and National Guard along with the farm workers. Now, the face-off exactly took place at two locations. One was the location operated by Glass House Farms in Santa Barbara, and the other one was in the Ventura County.